everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Mohammed from MAS-CodeTech, and today's lesson is about if-else statements. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe this video and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's hop right into the video. So guys, before we start, I have some settings for the new editor. So first, we have to turn on auto refresh so the code refreshes by itself and we don't have to click run again and again. And the second one will be we can type in a number for the background in here, and or we can type in it like 255 comma 255 comma 255 like the RGBs, or we can just type in one number, which will work too. And for the create canvas function setup, we don't type in anything in there. It's by default. This whole thing is by default like that. So in here there will be 400 to 400 by default. And now let's start by making else if statements. So let's make a if statement, if followed by parentheses, an open curly bracket and a close curly bracket, and in here in between the parentheses we have the condition, and in between the open and close curly bracket we have the code to run. So guys, now let's make a number variable number, which will be 30, and in between the if statement parentheses we're gonna type in if number is greater than 30, then the code to run, then draw an ellipse which will be 200 to 200. The x and y position will be 200 and the width and the height will be 150. Don't forget the semicolon. Now let's color it to fill. Let's make this ellipse black. And yeah, if the number is greater than 30, the ellipse will appear right here. So let's make the number greater than 30. Let's make it 40. I think we did a mistake. Yep, we spelled number wrong. Number. Yep, there we go. The gray ellipse appear right here. And if we make it less than 30, it will disappear. Now let's go on the next one and type in an else if statement, which is a different one. Else if, or it's like else if. It's similar to or else. Draw this like else if followed by parentheses, an open curly bracket and a close curly bracket, and in between the parentheses we're gonna type in else if number is greater than 20, then draw this rectangle, rect followed by parentheses and a semicolon. The number will be, let's make it 200 to 150, and then let's make the size 150 to 150. Yep, there we go. The rectangle appeared because the number is the number is greater than 20. Let's color it, then we will check it if it works. Let's make the rectangle black. So guys, if we make the variable number less than 20, let's make it 0, this square literally disappeared, and let's make it 3 back. So now we're gonna make an else statement. Else statement is a statement which will be like if we make a if statement and we type in else, and we are gonna make an else statement. Let me show you like it in an example. I don't get it. Else followed by parentheses. No, we don't put parentheses in else. We just put else, an open curly bracket and a close curly bracket, and we type in the code to run in between the parentheses. And now we're gonna make a rect make a rect followed by parentheses and a semicolon, and let's make a rect inside the else, and 150 to 150, and let's color a let's go with fill with a parenthesis and a semicolon, and let's color this 234, and yep. Now let's check else. So which means if we make the number less than 20, the else will pop up. Let's check. Less than 20, let's make it 10. There we go. There's a rect over here which is white, and now let's try to make it that color. I hope it works. Yeah, look, it's gray color right there. It's dark gray. So else that. So let's try this code. Let's make the number 30 and a black square appears, because we type in if number is greater than 20, appear the black square, and if we make it 40, a circle appears, because we typed in if the number is greater than 30, draw the circle. And let's try the last but not the least number, which will be 0, and ta-da! The square appears, dark gray one, because we typed in if this both statements, if and else if statements are false, draw rect, the dark gray one. So I hope you guys had fun, and you have to try this program. This is mind blowing. So make sure you try this program, and bye. I'll see you next time.